What is up, GMG Nation? I am Max, the part-time pit master, and on today's show, we're rocking out with some pulled pork. I got my GMG ledge right here. We're gonna make up a rub. We're gonna get this thing smoking. We're gonna make a mop sauce. It is gonna be delicious. We're gonna make it nice and tender, so let's get to it. Let's build that rub. 1/4 cup black pepper, 1/8 cup kosher salt, 1/8 cup Lawry's mixed together. We are going 2 tablespoons garlic powder, 2 tablespoons paprika, 1 tablespoon mustard powder, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1/2 tablespoon chipotle powder, and 1 teaspoon cayenne. Mix this together. This is a salty rub, but you need it to be salty because it's a thick piece of meat and we want to get that flavor in there. Here is that pork shoulder. Here we have our boneless heritage pork shoulder. Not a whole lot of trimming to do with this one, but if you do have one that needs trimming, I would just take the fat gap down a bit and make sure to trim off all the little dangly bits. Here I'm gonna make a mustard binder. What I like to do is mix my mustard with pickle juice or apple cider vinegar just to thin it out so it's not so pasty. We're gonna get this all over on all sides. Don't skimp out on this. And yeah, then we're gonna get to seasoning. Now time to season. We are going heavy, a nice thick coat of this rub. We want the flavor to be noticeable. We want to build a great bark. And yeah, trust me, this thing was full of flavor. Oh, and make sure to season all edges, all sides. We don't want any meat exposed. We want all rub. Now that we got this all seasoned up, I'm gonna wrap it in some saran wrap, get it in the fridge overnight, and I'll see y'all at the GMG in the morning. Now let's make that mop sauce. 1 cup apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup ketchup, 1/2 cup white sugar, 1 tablespoon hot sauce, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon cayenne, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1/4 cup of apple juice. Mix that together, warm it up, bring it all together, and then keep it warm. We're at the 4-hour mark now. What I got here is that mop sauce we made up. It's a very South Carolina, Rodney Scott inspired vinegar pepper mop. What I like about a mop is it allows you to add more flavors than you would with just a spray bottle. I have chili flakes in here, peppers, larger granules, which add extra flavor. So right now, we're gonna flip this pork shoulder over to get even cooking, and we're gonna mop the other side. Let's go in. Starting to feel tender. I'll probably be checking the temperature in the next hour to see where we're at. For now, let's just hit it with that mop. We are 8.5, 9 hours in. We've already wrapped this. We're gonna go open the wrap up a little bit, take an internal temperature and see if it's probing tender. So hopefully it is. If not, we'll probably have another half hour to hour. Do a little unwrap. That is looking nice. So we're gonna take our probe and it's sliding in soft. We are in the 200s. See how soft that's going in? That's what you're looking for. This is ready to come off. Perfect. All that hard work, after a nice rest, it's time to get shredded. And this is oh so barky, super tender, super delicious, and packed with flavor. Like, come on, it doesn't get much better than this. Time to build some Sammys. But if y'all like what you saw, make sure to subscribe to Green Mountain Grill's YouTube, follow them on Instagram, and make sure to follow me on Instagram too, at @the_part_time_pitmaster. Y'all have a great one.